Again, we thank you for coming out tonight. These gentlemen have been creating Hawaiian music for 40 plus years. Of course, Lifetime Achievement Award recipients, multiple Nahoku Hano Hano Award winners. Please put your hands together. A big Konanui Nights aloha to the Ma Kaha Sons.
Bye-bye, lima kako!
How's everybody doing? Mahalo nui to each and every one of you for coming here tonight. Boy, you guys are smart. Some of you could have gone to Journey, no? But you guys came over here.
I think maybe the price might have had something to do with it.
That's why I said they're really smart. They're smart. Yeah. Just like my kids, they wanted to go. I say, well, figure it out.
Either fill up your tank of gas or go to Journey. Your choice.